I was going to do that song play on there, but this one is definitely a play.
I'm looking for vibes. We nice. You got to bring champagne, so don't watch the price. So no fishy business. Get down and work it.
What you on the boat and you're holding on to your special something?
I want you, just like a bubble on the boat.
Shout out to the Allen's family, the Allen's Bakery family, big up. Sharon, Cynthia, Delia, that whole squad, big up. I'm on that boat ride July 3rd. Yosh, you ready?
I can stay here forever. I know leave me on this ride. I ain't a soul. I love me vibe. I don't go home. Leave me on this ride.
I am back. Look out, I am back in town. Last week I wasn't here. Yes, I am back.
Loving it. Welcome aboard.
It's time for the energy part of the show. Let's go.
Let me be a woman. I can be a woman. Let me be a
Versatility at its best, y'all. I don't play around. D-Life, I'm here with you. You know what it is. I love soca with energy.
Let me be a woman.
Is your girl's favorite.
Let me be a woman. I can be a woman. Let me be a woman.
Yes.
Woman. I can be a woman. What you need, she gives 10-fold. Come here, Papa, plant your seed. She can go right from her womb of family. Provide love and overlooked and unappreciated.
Energy, let's go.
You can reciprocate. I got delicious taste. You need a woman's touch in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, you should my hips and waist. So feminine with grace. I touch your soul when you hear me say, boy, let me be a woman. Let me be a woman. I can be a woman.
This is my daughter's favorite artist. This is my daughter's favorite song. Pick up yourself, Danny. For you.
I can be a woman. I can be your lady. I'm a woman. I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the paper in the picture like a diorama. Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite. Cause the world told me we ain't got that common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you would never know a guy without a goddess is honest. And I just kidding, I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO just like a Robin Fenty. And I'ma be there for you cause you on my team, girl. Don't ever think you ain't had these dream, girl. They wanna pit us against each other when we succeed. And for no reasons, they wanna see us end up like we were Gina or Mean Girl. Princess or queen, tomboy or king. You've heard a lot you've never seen. Mother Earth, Mother Mary, rise to the top. Divine feminine, I'm feminine. Woman, let me be a woman. I can be a woman. Let me be a woman. I can be a
All right, y'all. So you know we gotta pay homage, right? We gotta pay homage. We gotta pay homage. You know what today is, right? Let me see how much of y'all vibes and up knows what today's is. This is the birthday of the one notorious B.I.G. Yes. He would have been 50 years old today. Wow. Rest in peace. Continue to sleep in peace. The B.I.G. He would have been 50 years old today, y'all. imagine if Biggie was still alive? Do you think all that trap rap would survive?
Appreciated. You can reciprocate. I got delicious taste. You need a woman's touch in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist. So feminine with grace. I touch your soul when you hear me say, boy, let me be a woman. Let me be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be a woman. Woman, woman. I can be your lady. I'm a woman. I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the
That's right, y'all. That's right. I gotta pay homage.
a lot of people that are opposite.
For the next 10 minutes, we're gonna go in for Biggie Smalls, y'all. Turn your radios up.
And you would never know a guy without a goddess is honest. Honest kidding, I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO, just like a Robin Fenty. And I'm
Smalls would have been 50 years old today, man.
you ain't had these dream girl. They wanna pit us against each other when we succeed, and for no reasons. They wanna see us end up like we were Gina or Mean Girl. Princess or queen, tomboy or king. You've heard a lot you've never seen. Mother Earth, Mother Mary.
Energy on a Saturday, baby. D-Life, I'm here with you. Turn your radios up.
Let me be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be a woman. Woman, woman, woman.
Yes, people. Sound shot. Yes, people. Sound shot.
We gonna go in for Biggie Smalls for 10 minutes. Let's go. D-Life, I'm here with you. Happy Earth Day, yo. Let's go.
Yes, people. Sound shot.
First things first, I pop freak all the honeys, dummies, playboy bunnies, those wanting money. Those the ones I like, cause they don't get Nathan but penetration. Unless it smells like sanitation. Garbage, I turn like doorknobs. Heart throb never, black and ugly as ever. However, I stay Gucci down to the socks. Rings and watch filled with rocks. And my jam knocking the Mitsubishi. Girls creepy when they see me. Navajo creep me in they teepee. As I lay down laws like Island Coppet. Stop it. If you think they're gonna make a profit, don't see my ones, don't see my guns. Get it? Now tell your friends Papa hit it, then split it in two. As I flow with the Junior Mafia. I don't know what the hell's stopping ya. I'm clocking ya. Versace shade watching ya. Once you grin, I'm in.
Wherever you at right now, I need you to sing along, sing along, sing along, sing along.
Stretch Lex, this is the sex, just immaculate. From the back I get deeper and deeper. Help you reach the climax that your man can't make. Call him, tell him you be home real late and sing the break. I got that good love, girl, you didn't know. I got that good love, girl, you didn't know. It was all a dream. I used to read magazines, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Marley Marl. Yeah.
I know y'all know this by heart, y'all. I know y'all know this by heart. Let's go. Let me see them Biggie Smalls emojis. Let's go.
That I was hustling from that call the police on when I was trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the struggle. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip-hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world's trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski.